a tornado warning for north central Wakulla County in Big Bend, Florida, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Crawfordville, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of north central Wakulla County, including the following locations: Hilliardville and Erin. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Wakulla, Florida.